This video is going to take you through a three-way shoulder exercise to really work on the rotator cuff muscles that are deep inside the shoulder. Okay, so what we're going to do is set ourselves up in a 4-point position. What I'd like is for your hands to be directly below your shoulders and that your knees are directly below your hips. So once you've found that position, we're going to move in 3 different planes, okay? We're going to first of all move forwards and backwards, and that's going to look like this. Forwards and backwards. Now, really importantly during this exercise, I want you to keep pressure on the palm of your hand down into the floor, okay? So once again, once you've found that position, I'm going to go as far forward as I can, and then as far back as I can. So that's our first movement. Our second movement is going to be side to side, okay? So once again, found my starting position, keeping that nice pressure through my palms, and I'm going to move side as far as I can to side, keeping that pressure down through the floor. Good. Now, the third plane of movement is the trickiest, and there's a couple of ways to do it, and I'll start with the easiest of the two. In our starting position, what we're going to do here is actually rotate through our shoulders, or a bit of a twisting motion. So what I want you to think of is looking around and looking at the outside of your ankle on each side and looking around as far as you can. Importantly, again, I'm keeping pressure through my hands onto the mat. Now, to advance this a bit and get a bit more range in our twisting, what we can do is take one hand off and use that to guide our twisting. So I'm taking my left hand off, keeping my pressure through my right palm here, and I'm going to make a nice big arc and reach down as far as I can at the back there, and then the opposite, I'm going to reach as far as I can over this side. The whole time keeping that nice pressure through the floor, the hand on the floor. Demonstrated on this side now, reaching to the outside of the ankle, and then across yourself, and the whole time I'm keeping a nice amount of pressure here on the left. So that's our 3-way shoulder exercise. Really nice way to get some exercise into those rotator cuffs. Give it a go.